Today I share with you how to cook Nigeria Nsala soup. You can as well call it white soup. So sweetie, this is one of the favorite soup you can easily use to enjoy any swallow around you. So to begin, let me introduce the ingredient that you are going to be needing. Over here we have our dry fish. Now it's ready to use. Over here we have shaki and the center roundabout, and then that is from cow. And next we have cow meat. The center we have biscuit bone. So next for us to have is pepper mix. Over here we have hot pepper, onions, pepper soup spices, and then crayfish. So this is what I'm going to grind together. After grinding everything together, this is what I have. All I do now is to transfer everything back here. To begin, we are going to be adding the meat inside this clean pot. So after adding the meat, then adding the pepper mix on top of it. All I do now is to add then water on it like this. So now I'm going to season that with Maggi cube. I make use of 3 cubes of seasoning. So after adding the nut cube, what I do now is to add in banga spices. So over here we have banga spices. All I do now is to stir everything together. So after stirring, now I'm going to be adding salt on top of it. All I do now is to cover that to cook for 30 minutes. 30 minutes later, this is what I have here. I start to boil at this point. I stir together. So have you shared this video? Did you love eating Nsala soup? So this is the time you are going to love it more than before. So now you are going to be needing is yam, already washed yam and peeled. I'm going to turn everything over and stir together. So I prefer cooking my yam along with this meat. It's going to enable that to have a whole lot of flavor because it's going to cook along with the ingredients from the meat. So this is 20 minutes of cooking the yam. It cooks so nice. At this point it was soft, so amazing. Look at that. So what I do now is to transfer all the yam out and then add in water inside the meat and then add in the stockfish. So this point I can easily add in stockfish, then add in dry fish and then stir together and cover. So because that is more hard, so you are going to be adding that how everything is harder. Okay guys, so because this one is more harder, then I'm going to cover that again for 20 minutes later. This is what I have. Now I'm going to be adding the yam. At this point I'm done grinding the yam. So you are going to grind the yam before you can add it inside the soup like this. Oh my goodness, after adding everything, at this point it's something so massive. I'm going to stir together. So all I do now is to add in the remaining fish. So at this point, we're going to be adding the catfish because that is the last fish we are going to be adding. So all I do is to cook this soup for 30 minutes before it's going to be ready like this. Oh my goodness, 30 minutes later, look at our soup. It was everything sweetest at this point. At this point, soup done, soup done ready, soup dey sweet water. Oh my goodness, I just love every bit of this soup. It was everything everyone need to try. It's so easy to get done, it's so delicious, and it's so much water. I just love this. It was one of my favorite soup and I just love eating it a lot. If you haven't eaten Nsala soup by now, this is the right time you have to give this a try. It's so sweet, it's so much watering, it's so healthy. So this is me enjoying that. We can easily get this enjoy with anything swallow. All you have to do is to share this video, follow this process. All you need to know is what I show in my next one. Bye.